Hi there, this is Courtney Thomason, and the first website that I wanted to review was BrainPop. The gear intended audience could be for a variety of people, teachers, students, special educators, parents. Two standards that I thought aligned well with this website were students can collect information from digital resources using tools to make meaningful connections or conclusions. And the second standard I thought would align would be staying current with research that supports improved student learning outcomes and finding information connected to the learning sciences. So if we go right in here and we click on the website, you can see and some of this website, it does cost, but I thought I'd at least show where you can go in and get some free stuff. We're fortunate that our district does pay for this, so we are able to use all of the assets of this website. So let me just see if I can make this a bit bigger. So you can see, you can scroll down. There's different subjects: social studies, English, math, arts and music, health. And then there's obviously more free stuff, digital citizenship, which we talked about earlier in this class. So say you want to go in, wanted to show your students a nice video on Martin Luther King. You can see there's quizzes at the end. You can watch the movie. And usually the people are Tim and Moby that are involved in the movies. So we can back out of here, scroll up. I tend to use this a lot with my younger students, kind of make real life connections with more of a cartoon based video. And like I said, it's great for pre and post teaching information. It has a lot of resources. There's goal settings you can make. You can align your quizzes with what you're teaching. And I hope this is helpful. Thank you.